Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P1845 indicates an issue with the CVT, continuously variable transmission drive pulley speed sensor circuit, specifically regarding its performance in reverse rotation. This diagnostic trouble code, DTC, is registered when there is a mismatch between the driving conditions and the voltage levels provided by the CVT drive pulley speed sensor signals. In Honda vehicles, particularly the 2022 Plus Civic, the TCM, Transmission Control Module, monitors the performance of this sensor. Its primary role is to detect the speed of the pulley during reverse operation and ensure that the vehicle operates smoothly. If the voltage levels are inconsistent with the expected performance, the TCM recognizes an anomaly and activates this specific DTC. Understanding this error is crucial, as it can impact the vehicle's shifting and overall drivability. Let's dive into a more detailed examination of the components involved. The CVT drive pulley speed sensor is a crucial component in monitoring pulley speed during vehicle operation. It is positioned on the CVT assembly, ensuring accurate data is sent to the TCM about the drive pulley speed. The TCM processes this information to optimize transmission performance, ensuring seamless gear shifts. This sensor plays a vital role in maintaining engine performance and fuel efficiency, especially under varying load conditions. The TCM is usually located near the transmission and directly interfaces with various components, including this sensor, to regulate transmission functions. If there is an issue in the sensor readings or its circuit, it will prompt DTC P1845, requiring immediate attention to prevent further performance degradation. DTC P1845 can arise from several sources, primarily affecting the CVT system. One common cause is a faulty CVT drive pulley speed sensor itself. If it is defective, it might send incorrect voltage signals to the TCM. Additionally, the TCM may malfunction, failing to interpret the signals correctly or generate appropriate responses. It's also essential to consider wiring or connection issues. Damaged wires or poor connections can lead to signal loss or interference, contributing to this DTC being triggered. Each of these potential causes must be investigated to identify the underlying issue accurately. Proper diagnostics can help isolate the problem, ensuring effective repairs and maintaining the vehicle's performance. Symptoms associated with DTC P1845 can significantly affect driving experience. Drivers may notice reduced engine performance, particularly when reversing or accelerating from a stop. The transmission might exhibit rough or delayed shifts, particularly in reverse mode, impacting overall drivability. A transmission warning light may also illuminate on the dashboard, alerting drivers to a potential issue that requires attention. These symptoms often serve as critical indicators that something is wrong with the CVT system. It's vital for drivers to take these signs seriously and address them promptly through appropriate diagnostics and repair procedures. Neglecting these issues can lead to more severe problems in the vehicle's transmission system. The first troubleshooting step requires raising the vehicle securely using a lift. Ensuring that the vehicle is well supported is vital for safety. It prevents any accidents while performing diagnostics. All four wheels should be allowed to rotate freely. This is important as it simulates a real driving condition for accurate testing. This preliminary action sets the stage for the following steps, where actual testing of the CVT system will occur. Proper lifting equipment, such as hydraulic lifts or jack stands, should be utilized to ensure stability during the process. This initial step is crucial, as it prepares the workshop environment for thorough diagnostics and subsequent troubleshooting of DTC P1845. After securely lifting the vehicle, the next step involves starting the engine. Once the engine is running, it is crucial to disable the Vehicle Stability Assist, VSA. Disabling VSA is essential as it can interfere with the measurements and tests required for diagnosing DTC P1845. By disabling this system, you ensure that the diagnostic results are not affected by stability control interventions. This process will allow the technician to focus solely on the behavior of the CVT system during the test. Following this step closely is vital for precise readings and to ensure the TCM can operate without external influences from the VSA, which is primarily designed to enhance vehicle control. In this step, the technician will run the vehicle in the R position or reverse mode. It is crucial to maintain a speed of over 19 miles per hour, 30 kilometers per hour, for a minimum of 5 seconds during this test. Running the vehicle in this manner allows the transmission control module to receive real-time data from the CVT drive pulley speed sensor, assessing its performance in actual driving conditions. Monitoring this behavior is vital for identifying discrepancies, especially regarding the drive pulley rotation direction. If the speed requirement is not met, the test results may be invalid, making it impossible to confirm the integrity of the sensor and subsequently the TCM. Attention to detail in this step plays a crucial role in effective diagnostics. Upon completing the previous steps, the next action involves confirming the HDS or Honda Diagnostic System display. The technician should specifically observe the direction of drive pulley rotation. If the displayed value is anything other than reverse, this indicates that the failure has been duplicated. In this scenario, it's critical to revisit the sensor and related components, as it signifies that the system is not functioning as intended. The HDS serves as a vital tool in diagnosing DTCs, providing in-depth data directly from the vehicle's electronic systems. Correct interpretation of these values can guide technicians in identifying whether the problem lies with the CVT drive pulley speed sensor or the TCM itself, facilitating a targeted repair approach. The final repair verification step is essential to ensure that all issues regarding DTC P1845 have been adequately addressed. After performing the necessary repairs, it's crucial to verify the integrity of these repairs by rechecking the DTC status using the HDS. This step confirms whether the previously recorded DTC is resolved. A lack of error codes indicates successful troubleshooting and restoration of proper function. Furthermore, conducting a test drive after clearing the DTC can provide additional confidence in the repair quality. It's important to ensure that all systems function harmoniously post-repair to avoid any future recurrence of the issue. This verification process is critical for guaranteeing the reliability and safety of the vehicle's performance. To prevent DTC P1855 from appearing in the future, regular preventive maintenance is vital. Technicians should conduct routine inspections of the CVT drive pulley speed sensor and its connections, ensuring that these components are clean and free from moisture or corrosion can drastically reduce the risk of operational failures. Additionally, monitoring overall transmission performance during regular servicing can help identify potential issues before they escalate. By proactively addressing minor discrepancies and adhering to maintenance schedules, both operators and technicians can contribute to the longevity of the CVT system. Preventive measures like these can save considerable repair costs and enhance vehicle reliability, ensuring smoother operation over time. In summary, understanding DTC P1845 is crucial for diagnosing issues within the CVT drive system of the Honda Civic 2022 and onward. Familiarity with the possible causes, which include a faulty CVT drive pulley speed sensor and issues with the TCM, aids technicians in targeted troubleshooting. Following each outlined troubleshooting step accurately ensures an effective approach to resolving this error code. Final repair verification, alongside preventive maintenance, allows for sustained vehicle performance and reliability. By incorporating these procedures into regular service practices, automotive professionals can significantly enhance their troubleshooting efficiency and ensure that the vehicles remain in prime working condition. These strategies not only provide immediate relief from errors, but ultimately foster a culture of proactive vehicle maintenance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.